Package delivered, front door.
Delivery confirmed, one item, address C, Margaret Hale.
Motion detected at the front entry, recording.
We are reaching out on behalf of Compassion Continuity Services. We have a brief follow-up scheduled regarding the recent loss in your household.
Delivery confirmed, two items, address C, Margaret Hale.
Your estimated wait time is approximately 32 minutes. Your call is important to us.
Package delivered, front door, have a great day.
Please leave your message after the tone.